Hey everybody, welcome to the gallery. Thank you for joining me today. I have another unboxing for you from Diamond Art Club. This is part 2 of an unboxing from Diamond Art Club. I got this as a gift from Diamond Art Joy, and I didn't get to open it and look at it in its entirety, so I wanted to share the opening of it with you. This is Making Friends, and it's by Maryline Cazenave. I hope I'm saying that right. It's a 32.8 by 32.8 centimeter. It is a round drill, and everything you need in this box, in this diamond painting, comes in the box. You get premium velvet, tarpaulin canvas, color-coated resin diamonds, magic diamond applicator, comfort grip, and multi-placer, 2 wax pads, crafty tray, and resealable baggies, inventory sheet, and pre-cut sticker labels. Let's have a look at this cutie. Look at that. What a cute, this could be a great fall project. But I wanted to, it's even still closed with plastic. I haven't opened it yet. So let's have a look. See if I can open it without. How is everybody's day going? It is Saturday here. And Saturday for me usually means I clean my house. I go shopping on Friday and I clean my house on Saturdays. I used to do shopping and cleaning on the same day when I was younger. When I first got married, my children were smaller. I cleaned my house on Friday. First I would go shopping, then I would come home, put everything away, and then clean my house. First I'd take a little coffee break, and then I would clean my house. I need some energy. But today, I'm a little older these days, and cleaning the house and... Sorry guys, this is making me struggle. I'm on the struggle bus. So these days I'm a little older, and cleaning the house and going shopping on the same day is a lot. I've done it though, but it is a lot. Okay, here we go. Finally got it open. Here is the warranty and insurance card. You can take a picture of that, and this is a Q card, the Q code, and you can visit their website and learn more about it. Here is the sticker that you can put on the box, or you can put in your journal. The box is now empty, so I'll put it aside. Let's look at the toolkit. So let's have a look. I am struggling. Okay, so there's an orange pen, a bag of baggies, your 2 plates of wax in a heart-shaped box. Here is your leg warmer for your pen. It's orange, which is cool. You get a multi-placer. This is a 7-placer. And I think there's only 1 place. Nope. This is a 4-placer. So you get a 4-placer and a 7-placer. You get a cute white rose. Oh my gosh, my words are not coming today. what is this thing? It's a cover minder. Oh my gosh, that word never came to me. So it's a magnet that you put one piece on top of your diamond painting. Get the other piece, there's two pieces there, and you put the other piece underneath your diamond painting, and it holds back the plastic cover so you can diamond paint. You have beautiful washi tape. It looks marble-like. It's beautiful. And you've got your tray. Let's put these all back in here. And let's have a look at the diamond painting. Sorry, I'm off canvas, guys. Not good. Beautiful tarpaulin material for your canvas. It's got the scalloped edges. Here are your drills. These are round drills. I will show them to you. Instructions. Here's your sticker sheet. This has 37 colors. It's represented by numbers, letters of the alphabet, and symbols. And these are all stickers, so you can put them on your bags or your containers. Here again is, it's a round 13 by 13 inch, 32 by 32.8 centimeter by 32.8 centimeter. Making Friends by Maryline Cazenave. Let's have a look at the diamond painting. I'm going to flatten this out so you can see it better. Oh, look at, I think that's no, that's a snail. And this is a fall picture. There's a beautiful kitten with a beautiful scarf. It's got some leaves on here, maple leaves. And that is a snail on top of some mushrooms, wild mushrooms. This is a full drill canvas. The sticky is amazing. Lots of color blocking in the background. You have your legend on the bottom right, top left, and of course you have the description. You have their Facebook and Instagram, and you have your lifetime warranty and free missing diamonds protection from Diamond Art Club. Do what makes you sparkle. Diamond Art Club. Beautiful. Let's have a look up close. A lot of color blocking. There are 4 ABs in this diamond painting. It's just so cute. And that's what Donna and I have become. We've become good friends. Here is your diamond paint, your drills with the title. So if you separate your diamond painting from your drills, you'll be able to do that. Let's open them and take a look. $7.33, $7.32, $7.34, $7.30, 2 bags of $7.30, $4.34, $6.06, $3.371. These are our first ABs. It's like a yellowish orangey, more on the yellow side. AB means Aurora Borealis, which means it's got a beautiful coating on the top, and it looks like the Northern Lights when you have it against the light, and then when it goes down on the canvas, it'll make it shine, and all the drills around it shine too. 435, 436, 480, 433, 740, 738, 938, 739, 947, 300. That's the first group. $8.98, $8.17, $9.35, $7.12, $9.36, $8.32, $3.10, very little $3.10, $1.07, that's another Aurora Borealis, it's like a red, gorgeous, $7.42, $400, Z166, this is fairy dust. Beautiful. It's another coating they put on the diamonds. 141, another AB. It's a white. 498, 976, 437, 3853, 3801, 318, 139, another Aurora Borealis, that's a gray, gorgeous, and 3778. So there's a surprise. I did not know that there was a fairy dust diamond on there. Cool. So let's see. W. So there's some W's in here in the leaf. There's some W's around here as well. Another part of the leaf. Are there any more W's? No, just in the leaves. Just in these leaves here. The AB's number 1 is 107. So there's number 1s down here in this leaf on top of the mushroom. And that's it for that. Number 2 is number 2. It's in a scarf. The other AB is in his scarf, different parts of his scarf here. So that's going to shine. Number 3. Where's number 3? I'm not seeing number 3. Where's number 3? Where's number 3, guys? There's 3 is like a beige-ish. Can't find number 3. Oh. No, it's in his eyes. It's in his eyes. See? And number 4 is the square. It's in the mushroom. Right here, the square. And those are all the ABs. Isn't this the cutest thing? A cat making friends with a snail. Making friends. Do what makes you sparkle. From Diamond Art Club. Like I said, this had 37 colors. 32 by 32.8 centimeter canvas. Beautiful. 4 ABs. 1 Oh my gosh, I can never remember that word because I don't get many diamond paintings with it. Oh, what is it called? Sorry, guys. I don't remember what it's called, but you know. My words. I shouldn't have recorded, maybe. Um, but there's that. And that was also from Donna from Diamond Art Joy. She sent this to me as a gift, and I opened the owl the last time, and this is the second part of it. So thank you so much, Donna, for your gift. I really appreciate it. And we have definitely made friends over the last several months, and I hope we continue. I'm trying to remember that word, and I can't remember. Oh my gosh. That's what getting old is like, guys. The words just don't come, especially when you're on camera. Ugh. Fairy dust. Oh my gosh, how can I forget a word like fairy dust? Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing today of making friends. And I hope I can make friends with so many of you I already have. This community has been very welcoming, and I appreciate everyone that has subscribed to my channel. If you have not yet subscribed, but you've been looking around, please have a look. I hope you enjoy your stay in the gallery, and there's so much more to come. Please check out my previous video. This was featured briefly, but I decided to unbox it further today. But please see my previous video to this where I showed you my entire stash, all the diamond paintings I have yet to do. And yeah, I can link that below so you can go have a look at that as well. Thank you to all my new subscribers that have subscribed lately. I really appreciate your support, and I hope you stay as long as you can and enjoy it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up on your way out. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you next time. Bye.